Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5. And on this Mazda CX-5 we're going to go over how you would change your cabin air filter. So your cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. And so you'll just need to pull it down. If you've got a bunch of stuff in your glove box you may want to remove that. But there is a little connector on this right side. You're going to want to just pop that. And then if you squeeze the glove box together, it'll be able to pull down. And then you can actually pull the whole glove box unit off. And then this is our cabin air filter component. And then we just need to pull this out. And this has got some interesting debris in here. You get a vacuum to vacuum the rest of that stuff out. Okay, so with that extra debris out of there, now we can go ahead and put our new cabin air filter in. And we're just going to put it in like this. There's an arrow on both sides, but there's an arrow here telling us that the airflow goes down because it's going down through, pulls up from here through the blower motor and there. Then it just locks into that tab there, and that's installed. Then you'll just be able to take your glove box, line up the two tabs. You've got the little clip here, and then just snap it up into place and close it up. And so that's how you would replace your cabin air filter on your Mazda CX-5. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.